In this video, I'll be sharing 2 ways to make aloe vera oil for extreme hair growth. Hey family, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel for everything hair care. Let's get started with preparing this oil. First, you would want to grab some aloe vera leaves. I'll be using about 5 to 6 leaves of aloe vera because my plants are not so big. Because of the aloe the plant naturally carries, I'll be soaking this in a bowl of clean water for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Because I have never reacted to this before, I only just go ahead to rinse it out and start using it immediately. But for the sake of others who have never tried using aloe vera or are allergic to the latex it contains, it is safe to soak this for a minimum of 30 minutes. After soaking this for about 30 minutes, I went ahead to rinse this off, and the next thing I'll do is cut off the spikes. The spikes are the sharp parts of aloe vera that can easily prick you, so always take them out. With the help of a kitchen towel, I'll be drying my aloe vera plant to ensure that no liquid gets into my oil. After drying up these aloe vera plants, I'll be chopping them into smaller pieces. And like I mentioned in the title of my video, 2 ways to prepare aloe vera oil. After chopping this into smaller pieces, I'm going to go ahead to divide them into 2. One part for method 1 and the other part for method 2. Aloe vera offers several benefits for natural hair. It increases hydration and retains moisture in the hair. Its gel-like substance is a natural moisturizer which helps lock in moisture and prevent dryness. For method 1, I'll be adding half cup of coconut oil to a stainless bowl or pot. The reason I'm using coconut oil as the carrier oil is that coconut oil is very beneficial for hair growth and the overall health of the hair. It moisturizes, reduces breakage, and protects the hair from damage. Combining aloe vera and coconut oil promotes hair growth by nourishing hair cells and strengthening the strand. I'll be adding 1 part of the aloe vera plant to this oil and will be double boiling this for about 15 to 30 minutes. Please make sure you do not cook the oil directly on heat. Double boiling works better for this method. Ensure that you keep stirring your aloe vera inside the oil in a space of 5 minutes to ensure that the nutrients from the aloe vera completely transfers into the oil. Avoid placing pressure on the aloe vera leaves so that it does not introduce any form of water in your oil. After about 25 minutes, I took this down from the burner. I allowed this to cool. I think I left this for about 10 minutes to cool down. And with the help of an iron sieve, I was able to sieve out my oil. I'll be setting this aside and moving to method 2. Also, setting this aside is going to help the oil to drain. Remember, do not apply any form of pressure. For method 2, I'll be using the second part of the diced aloe vera. And for this method, we'll be needing a blender. To the blender, I'll be adding the diced aloe vera alongside the aloe vera I used for method 1 instead of trashing it. I found out it was still very useful, so of course I added it. Again, I'll be adding about half cup of coconut oil to this, and I also went ahead to add a little amount of tea tree oil, for extra nutrients and benefits. After adding all that into our blender, the next step is to blend this into a very smooth paste. Please avoid adding any form of water. All you need to blend this is your coconut oil. I'll be transferring this paste into either a stainless bowl or a cooking pot. Double boiling method won't be effective for method 2 because it needs direct heat, and double boiling will only delay the whole process. So I took it out and placed it directly on the burner. While this is heating up, ensure you consistently stir it with a wooden spoon to avoid it from burning or sticking to your pot. After some minutes, you will notice that the mixture continues to get dark and the oil starts to separate from the aloe vera. This took about 15 minutes to be done. Take your pot down when you notice that the aloe vera is all dried and the oil is visible enough. As you can see, the oil has been separated from the aloe vera and the aloe vera looks dry. After allowing some minutes for this to cool off, I'll be transferring the oil through my strainer into a mason jar. You can leave this on the mason jar for as long as you want so that the oil can be strained, or you can go ahead to apply pressure on it. So unlike method 1, I'll be applying pressure on the aloe vera to get all the oil out. This is because all the liquid present in the aloe vera has dried out completely. So this is how it looks like after I had squeezed out all the oil from the aloe vera. Because of the possibilities of tiny particles of aloe vera getting into the oil, I went ahead to use a cheesecloth to further sieve this oil. I also went ahead to squeeze out the little particles because it took away some oil. So this is how the oil from method 2 looks like. It's way darker than the oil we prepared using method 1. Kindly let me know in the comments which method you prefer, and if you have tried any of this method, which did you try? As for me, I think I prefer the method 2 because I was able to extract as much goodness from my aloe vera as possible. Now, to the oil from method 1, I'll be adding my tea tree oil because if you're paying close attention, I did not add this the first time, but I added it in method 2. I'll be transferring these oils into my dropper bottles. I wish I had 2 clear dropper bottles so that people can see the difference, but I think you can already see the difference with this glass cup, so I don't think there is any need for that. If you try out this oil after the video, I would really love to know if you did. So please drop me a comment. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share this video to people that need it. Some people might be asking how this oil can be used. Well, this oil can be used for your LCO, it can be used for pre-poo, it can be used to massage your edges. So when you are done with this oil, you can either choose to leave it in or wash it out. You leave it in if you use it for your LCO, and you can wash it out if you use it for your pre-poo. Any one works. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and I'm going to see you on my next one. If you want to watch the full video of how I got to this point with this model, kindly watch the video at the end of this video. All right guys, bye.